Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a very cool math trick and how it actually works with algebra. So let's dive right in. So your first step is going to be choosing a number between 1 and 10. Write it down on a piece of paper so you can remember it. Once you've done that, add 8. Add 8 to your number. Next, subtract 3. Add 6. And then take away 4. This is the last step. Subtract your first number from here. So the original number that you selected from 1 to 10, subtract that. So if you selected 3, take away 3. Okay, is your number 7? Is it 7? Comment below if you got 7. If you didn't get 7, you may have done something wrong. Just check over your work. Maybe you heard something wrong. But it should be 7. I'll teach you how you always get 7 right now. So this is how this trick will work. First, let's write down what we need to do. You need to choose a number between 1 and 10. So let's call this x. Then to x, you will need to add 8, then subtract 3, add 6, subtract 4, and then subtract your original number, so subtract x. Let's even this out basically. So x plus 8 minus 3, that's 5. Add 6, 11. Take away 4, 7 minus x. Then the x at the beginning and the x at the end will cancel out. So you have 7 remaining, and you will always get 7. So now this trick wouldn't work if you do not need to take away x at the end. So because you take away x at the end like that, that is why it will actually work. Because at the end, your answer will just be x plus 7, which is going to be different for every number between 1 and 10. You can modify this so it's kind of like your own. Like what you can do is you can say x plus 7 minus 3 plus 6 minus 4 minus x. So the result will always be 6 because you change it from plus 8 to plus 7. So there are many different ways that you can modify this. So this is how you do that super duper cool trick and how it works.